fibers and cotton and jute are plant fibers. Okay, so bache, on the other hand, there are some man-made fibers like nylon, rayon. Okay, so, bachi, all the fibers that are consisting of a long, small chain of molecules. Okay, long chain of small molecules that are called as polymers. So, what are polymers? Polymers are the long chain of molecules that is called as polymers. Okay, so let's discuss about the polymers in detail. But see, for example, you are having a necklace or you are having a bracelet. See how many parts are joined together to form a long chain. Okay, so these small parts, okay, these are the polymers. Okay, these sorry, these are the molecules, and whole this chain is called as a polymers. Okay, so these small units of polymers are called as monomers. Poly means many, mono means one. So smaller unit of polymers is called as a monomers. Okay, so these small unit are monomers, and whole chain is called as polymers. Okay, so bachi, now next see the natural, what are natural polymers. So the polymers which occur in nature are called as natural polymers. For example, cellulose, silk, wool. Okay, proteins. So polymers which are made in laboratories or factories, they are called as man-made polymers. For example, nylon, polythene. Okay, polyvinyl, PVC. Okay, rayon, teflon. These are some of the synthetic fiber or the artificial or man-made fibers. Okay, so let's discuss about the raw materials which are being used for making these synthetic fibers. So bache, first of all, some of the molecules are obtained from petroleum, okay, and the natural gas. And see, some of the examples are given from which we are making the polymer, that is methane, ethane, ethyne, methanol, ethene, butene, ethane, propane, vinyl chloride. Okay, so these are the names of the compounds which are used for making the materials in the laboratories. Okay, so bache, now these are the some of the questions. So take a look at these questions which you have to answer. You have to search for these answers from this chapter. Okay, so now let's talk about the discuss about the synthetic fibers. So bache, synthetic fibers in detail we are going to discuss. So I have already told you the definition, the fibers which we are getting from the nature, but we are molding it in the laboratories or any in the factories, so that are called as synthetic fibers. So bache, types of synthetic fiber, first is rayons. So bache, rayon, that is commonly used fabric. Okay, in the end of 19th century it was made. So another name of rayon is artificial silk. Okay, so bache, it can also be used in the textile industries for